Hi friends, today we can discuss about the Selenium WebDriver introduction and installation part. Introduction is related to what is Selenium WebDriver and what are the previous tools in Selenium which has and drawbacks and which made the Selenium WebDriver existing in this current market. So let's discuss about those previous tools which in the Selenium. So the first tool which has been released by Selenium is an add-on to the Firefox browser which is called as an Selenium IDE. So Selenium IDE is an add-on to the Firefox browser and it is just a record and playback tool. Means if you want to run your script, so you can record that script and you can play back the script on the project which you are working on. So this is something about Selenium IDE. And coming to the drawbacks of Selenium IDE, as it is an add-on to the Firefox browser, so you can run your script only in the Firefox browser itself. So if you want to run your script in multiple browsers, that can't be done by using Selenium IDE. It works only for the Firefox browser itself. And the second drawback is if you want to test the application, like if you want to validate the particular screen is coming or not, so you can't do that. Like if this particular screen has appeared, then the test case is passed, and if this particular screen is not appearing, then the test case is failed. This kind of conditional statements can't be written in the Selenium IDE tool. So this is the another drawback. And if you want to run your script for multiple test data, that can't be done by using Selenium IDE. It works for only one particular data. So these are the drawbacks which we have in Selenium IDE. And the other drawback is it can't handle the exception handling. If your script is handled if your script is stopped due to the execution, then that will be stopped in the Selenium IDE also. So it can't handle the exceptions also. Overcoming the drawback of Selenium IDE, there existed another tool called Selenium RC. So this particular RC tool can be if you write a script using RC, you can run that script in multiple browsers also. So this particular RC also has an defects, like you want to start the you have to start the server, and you have to stop the server in the test script itself. Like for every program which you are writing, you have to start the server manually, and after that you have to stop the server in the test script itself. So this is the major drawback. In the real-time scenarios, it won't work for this. Like these situations will not work. So another small drawback of RC is it doesn't support mobile testing. So keeping these all drawbacks in mind, there existed a tool called as in Selenium WebDriver. So WebDriver has overcome all these drawbacks which we have faced in IDE and RC, and it has created an unique platform so that it will be easy for the people who are writing the test scripts, and it will be supporting to the multiple browsers and multiple operating systems which we are using. So coming to the Selenium WebDriver is an good test automation tool, means functional test automation tool. So the functionality of your project can be tested and automated using Selenium WebDriver. So the another advantage of Selenium WebDriver is if you write the script in Selenium WebDriver, you can run that script in multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, and OS also. As the Selenium WebDriver is developed in Java, so you can run and you know that Java is an platform independent language. You can run that script in multiple operating systems also. So the another major advantage of Selenium WebDriver is you can run your script, you can write your script in many languages like C Sharp, Perl, Ruby, Python, and Java and PHP. So these are all the languages which you can write the Selenium WebDriver script. But you have an facility to write these scripts, but Selenium with Java combination is a powerful combination, and as well as multiple companies now you are using Selenium with Java combination as well. as these two are platform independent. So you can write your we can use selenium with java combination, as this is a famous combination. So to write your scripts and to save your scripts in an effective location, there is an tool called Eclipse IDE. So you can write your scripts in Eclipse IDE, which gives you a help menu while writing the test script, which is so helpful based on the classes which you are writing, classes which you are using. So that will be supported by Eclipse IDE very well. So these are the three downloads which you have to do for Selenium, writing your Selenium WebDriver scripts. So the first one is JDK, and the second one is Eclipse, and the third one is Selenium WebDriver jars. So JDK, preferably it is a 32-bit version. You can download those 32-bit version, and Eclipse, if you download the JDK 32-bit version, then you can download Eclipse also 32-bit version. Okay. So the process, rather than saying this, you can just go for the JDK site where to download this particular things. From the Oracle site, you can download this JDK version. Means for the 32-bit, you can download this particular version from the oracle.com. And for Eclipse, you can download this particular software, and you have to install this JDK. Just give me a second. After downloading this JDK, so you can download the Selenium WebDriver jars from this particular site, like seleniumhq.org. So as we are using Selenium with Java combination, you can select this Java combination and you can click on this download. Okay. So the Eclipse, for downloading the Eclipse, you can download that from eclipse.org site. So you can download this particular Eclipse from eclipse.org site, and Eclipse is just an downloading, and just you can download that and you can use that Eclipse. So you can see the downloaded versions which I have downloaded already. So these are the three softwares which you have to download. Means first the JDK one, as JDK is just an download and installable software, so you have to install this particular software. So if you have downloaded the 32-bit version, so and if you are using an 64-bit system, so that will go to program files x86. So this is the Java version. Okay. So if you are downloading 64-bit version, so you can see that in the program files folder. Okay. So Eclipse is just an downloadable software, and it will be downloaded as a zip file. You have to extract that, and you will find the application over here. Okay. So you can just right click on that, and you can create a desktop shortcut, so that when you are opening, you can open that from desktop itself. No need of these all files. Okay. And after downloading the Selenium jar file jar files, so you can find this as a zip file. You can extract that. So in lib folder there will be multiple jar files, and outside there will be two jar files. So this is the way you can download those particular softwares from the particular sites. Okay. Eclipse.org is not working for me, so you can download that from eclipse.org, and you can download Eclipse for committers for Windows 32-bit. If you are using JDK 32-bit, you can download Windows 32-bit version of Eclipse also. So I have created a desktop shortcut. See, this is the desktop shortcut for this. So we can see how to create a project. So this takes some time. So we can revise this JDK. After you download this JDK and after you install this JDK, so you need not set the environment variables path as Eclipse. You have downloaded the Eclipse, uh, and the othermost thing is first you have to install JDK, and after that you should open this Eclipse IDE. If you open first Eclipse IDE, it will ask for Java version before this. So after installing JDK itself, you can open this Eclipse ID. You can create a shortcut and you can open this Eclipse ID. So uh, first it will ask for the workspace. So we can create an workspace here. Means where you can write your programs and everything else. We can create a workspace. So I am creating E drive and I am creating a new folder. Okay. So it will load for some time. For the first time it takes some time, but after downloading the JDK and after installing the JDK, you can do this. Okay. So here you can see this Eclipse workbench here. So you can click on this. You can get this kind of screen, and to create a project you can go to file menu, new, and you can see this, sorry, file, new menu, and go to Java project. As we are using Java version, so you can go for Java project, and you can give the project name like so this is the default location where your scripts will be stored. So you can just click on finish. After that, after your project has been created successfully here. Okay. So after that, you can just for associating the jar files, you have downloaded, first thing you have downloaded the JDK, and after that you have installed the JDK, and that has been stored in the program files x86 folder, and after that you have opened an Eclipse IDE and you have created a project successfully. Okay. So after that, the third thing which you have to do is you have to associate the jar files related to Selenium WebDriver to the current project. Okay. For associating this jar files to the current project, we have to right click on this project and we can click on properties. After that you can click on Java build path and you can click on libraries. Okay. Add external jars, click on add external jars. So in libs folder you will be having multiple jar files, so first associate them. So those are all associated, and after that you find two more jars which are outside this lib folder, so you can associate these two too. So all the jar files have been associated. Now click on OK. So now the jar files have been associated successfully to this project. Okay. So this is the process related to the how to create a project and how to associate the jar files to this current project. So we can discuss how to create an program and how to write your first program in Selenium WebDriver in the next tutorial. Thank you for listening to this tutorial, and if you have any comments, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you.